Hey Madison on 20th Residence, this is your property manager, Andy. I'm here today with a helpful tip on how to use your AC thermostat. So the first thing you'll notice is that there's a couple different switches on here. This first one that you'll see is going to be for the fan. I suggest keeping it on auto. Auto is a little bit more energy efficient than keeping your AC in the on position all the time. If it's constantly on, constantly running, it's going to increase your energy bill, and you're going to be paying a lot more monthly than what you need to be. As you can see, right now we're in a cooling mode. System's in cool, and say we want it a little bit cooler, we could always press this down button. You're going to want to hold it for a sec. It's going to blink, and then you could set it to whatever degrees you want. Now, it works the same way with heat. So all you would need to do is just switch it to heat, select your desired temperature, and then go from there. If you ever have any questions, you could always ask us here in the office. And if you ever need an AC filter, we also have those free in the office that you can grab each month.